This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, check your reputation and wallet, ensure level 12 and $2, 500. Once done, head to East Dock. That district is gated until Mission 3, so finish that mission first. Make sure to open the map and place a marker on the black market vendor icon, then fast travel if available to save time. You want to arrive ready, not fumbling with menus. Having inventory space free by at least one slot helps. Move immediately toward the vendor's building and prepare to interact. You now engage the vendor, initiate conversation, and pick the dialogue labeled Special Orders. Once chosen, present the shadow token if you have one. If not, you can pay an extra $500 to substitute. Make sure to accept the mini-quest that follows. It asks you to steal a ledger from a nearby harbor guard patrol. Move deliberately, sneak, or use a distract ability to avoid combat. After retrieving the ledger, return to the vendor and hand it over to progress the acquisition. You finish by claiming the Incognito suit at the vendor counter. Immediately open your outfit menu and equip it to enable stealth bonuses. If the suit does not appear, make sure inventory filters are off and check your storage chest. Sometimes rewards auto-send there. If you still see nothing, restart the vendor interaction once. As a last resort, reload the last checkpoint or log out and back in to clear session glitches. Keep calm. These steps resolve the issue in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.